Hello everyone, welcome to Unit 1, Social and Communication Skills. What are we going to learn this week? In this video, you are going to learn 1.1.1 Listen to and comprehend discussions and conversations. And specifically, you will be learning giving suggestions. Preparing for a group discussion. It is very important to listen attentively in a group discussion. Active listening is acquired with attention and understanding ideas and facts. Below are some importance of listening. Listening in a group discussion helps to give new ideas. Listening helps not to jump into conclusions. Good listening will avoid aggression because you know what the other person says. Listening will help learn something new. Listening in a group motivates the environment. Good listening skills in a group discussion can help you notice flaws in what others speak. But that doesn't mean you should always pick on someone in a group discussion. Listening will help you comprehend what the other team members speak, even if the topic is not well known. For example, maybe you are not familiar with the topic of football between Manchester United and Liverpool. But if you listen attentively to someone who is talking or sharing his ideas on that particular topic, you will be able to understand what the whole topic is all about. Listening keeps you aware and alert. And finally, if you listen, team members in the group will listen to you. Just like giving respect and receiving respect. Listen and you will be listened. Another important step in a group discussion is to provide suggestions. It is through group discussions that a meaningful and practically implementable solution can be reached. That means the more suggestions we have during a group discussion, the better space we will create for the best possible output. You will learn how to give suggestions using sample phrases on the next slides. So, what suggestions mean? When you make a suggestion, you are giving an idea to someone about what he or she should do or how he or she should behave. Do not worry whether he or she will agree or disagree with your suggestions when you are trying to make those suggestions. There are 6 phrases on making a suggestion that I would like to introduce to you. Let's look at the first phrase. How about? We can use how about when making a suggestion. How about we meet for another study session tonight? Can you repeat after me? How about we meet for another study session tonight? Very good. Now let's look at the second way we can make a suggestion. Why don't you? Why don't you try calling him again? Now repeat after me. Why don't you try calling him again? Good. Let's look at the third one. Don't you think? Don't you think it is a good idea to organize a charity car wash? Now repeat after me. Don't you think it is a good idea to organize a charity car wash? Good. Now let's look at another three phrases on making a suggestion. We can also use how do you feel about when making a suggestion. Let's look at the example given. How do you feel about going shopping with me tomorrow? Now, repeat after me. How do you feel about going shopping with me tomorrow? Very good. Next, we can also use I think you should. I think you should take the job offer. Can you repeat after me? I think you should take the job offer. Brilliant! Now let's look at the final phrase on making a suggestion. Couldn't we? Couldn't we go to her house to find out? Can you repeat after me? Couldn't we go to her house to find out? Very good. Now you can scan the QR code to watch the video about making suggestions. Well, we have come to the end of the lesson. What have we learned today?